You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from German, designating sparkling wines from Germany, or champagne you could call them. If you want to learn more wine names, you found the right channel. Many wine names here. Sekt is how it's pronounced. Sekt, not sect. Sekt is how the German pronunciation goes, how Germans say it. Sekt, wine, or vine. Sekt, vine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.